Hello, dear friends. I hope you are all well. Today, we're going to prepare an old Iranian dessert that is served at various ceremonies. It is called halva, and there are various recipes for it. Today, we will make the most basic and simplest type of halva. The ingredients for this dessert are divided into two parts. The first part is the syrup of the dessert, which includes sugar, water, rosewater, and saffron. The second part is the ingredients for the dessert dough, which consists of flour, butter, oil, and ground cardamom. First, combine the water, sugar, and rosewater in a pot and place it on the heat until it boils and the sugar dissolves. Add the dissolved saffron to it and let it mix. Remove the syrup from the heat. Toast the flour in a pan over very low heat. This step must be done patiently to make the halva tasty. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes for this step. Gradually, the flour changes color from white to a creamy hue. The longer you toast the flour, the darker the halva will become in the end. Remove the flour from the heat and let it cool down a bit. Sift the flour. Add the butter, oil, and ground cardamom to the flour and stir. Turn the heat on and combine the ingredients over low heat for 5 minutes, then turn off the heat. Slowly add the syrup to the flour in several stages. If you would like to learn how to make Iranian dishes and desserts in a simple way, please subscribe to the channel and check out the other videos. This is the final texture of the halva. You can decorate it with powdered or sliced pistachios. Thank you very much for watching this video.